Literally, this car came with just no coolant reservoir, which apparently worked for the first little while. Basically, we bought this car like a month ago, and it's been, like, there's been a lot more projects than we thought, and not as many projects as we thought. Meaning that it's pretty good for the price. Yeah.
But there's like also things that were like, why is this gone?
There's a little clip, there's a little little lip thingy in the bottom of the coolant tank, and it's gonna go in that little like hole thing. So all we have to do is put that one little bolt in there. Right, it goes right there. Right, because obviously it goes into that little lip thing at the bottom.
And it goes right there because it's in the lip.
Yeah. Bada bing, bada bam. That's it, bro. I mean, we just need a random bolt, I guess. Something in there.
But yeah. Your catheter.
Yo, this is our main build right here, ladies and gentlemen. The 2015 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. So you looking for just some random bolt?
I have a bag of bolts.
Yo, the CRZ is looking actually vivid.
I had an entire bag of bolts. Where have they gone to?
And can't wait to drink this soda. Let's set up the camera somewhere. Woohoo! I'm a big do fan.
We're do fans here in the Motor King industry.
Dude, it's so refreshing. Right here we have Luke's giant hand testing out some different bolts to see what's going to work there out of his bag of random bolts. How's that feel?
That works perfectly.
Let's go! Now, what spec is that torque to? 120 foot-pounds on that one?
About 300.
300 foot-pound torque down on the coolant reservoir.
Coolant ain't going nowhere.
Keeping this coolant nice and tight.
So, here's the thing. Here we go. I'm now one proud owner of a coolant container. So, there we go. That's how you install a new coolant container.
We do not give free advertisements here.
A lot of parts that are looking a little rough. Such as, but the main one that we're tackling today is this right here. As you can see on this trim, it's a little bit sun damaged. It's just old. We just kind of want to make it look new. So what we have laid before us beautifully is some alcohol just to clean. Paint, we have nice stronger adhesion satin black because we don't want it to be too glossy, and my plans is to wrap it satin. So this will be good. Just be able to attach to it pretty well off what we see online, especially if we just make sure it's cleaned up nicely. Some rags to wipe it all down, and it should be a pretty quick process, hopefully.
Is it finally gonna come off? Act like it's been forever. It's literally been like 10 minutes. Did you get it? Late night painting setup. Here are the first EK hatch looking clean. Second EK hatch looking cleaner. Nice light coating. I like what you're doing here.
It looks good.
Yeah, compared to the gray of that. So after about a little bit of drying, dude, honestly, it looks almost exactly like your wrap, dude. Satin black.
Get off my paint!
Stupid little ant.
Get him! Surprised we get them off. I'm spray painting them. Ah.
Where'd he go? Get him. Get him.
No, it's too strong a wind. He's dead.
Okay. Dude, giant bug? Dude, what the heck is going on? Get the... No, no. Nicely done.
It honestly looks amazing. I'm very impressed. All right, let's get this the main one on, and dang, I can already tell this is gonna look 30,000 times better. Holy cow. Holy crap, Lois. The final piece just to snap on. Unreal how easy this was. See the final product, and there we have it. Oh my gosh, that's unreal. You can see in the camera, that's what it used to look like, but probably even worse than that. So now it's like, oh my goodness. I'm very surprised. Super easy. Incredibly easy if you have a CRZ and you want to do this. Really, if you have anything that has trim that's not difficult to remove, even if it's difficult to remove, and you're just wanting to give it a cleaner look, this is the way to do it, people.